Okay, welcome back to Brook in the Air. I have just arrived in Denver at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And to say I am blown away is an understatement. I thought I was just getting a king room with a city view. Nope. Let me show you what I mean. Here is the main sofa bed. Usually does not come in just rooms. It's a massive king bed. Put a starfish on it in a bit. Main door. Luscious hardwood. Oh, look at that. Very nice cabinetry. Very deep tub. This is impressive, and the guy downstairs at the front desk was super helpful. You can order a dinner until 1 a.m. I'm going to do that here in just a minute. And from 1 a.m. onwards, they have a limited food menu, which is not bad at all. And oh, look at that. Chargers. Charging ports, rather. Gotta love it. I'm not seeing a fridge. That's a bit disappointing. Oh, I spoke too soon. There's a fridge. Very nice. Although they do charge for sparkling waters. But then again, if you can afford $2,600 for a 3-night stay, you can afford $10 for water. Room safe. Evening shoe shine surface with our compliments. Huh. Not bad. So certain things are definitely complimentary and certain things aren't. The things that are not complimentary, like the water, you would expect that though. So that's not a huge issue. But wow, I am definitely definitely awestruck. Oh, look at that. Midnight snack. Chocolate bar. Boost energy. Oh, and wine. Colorado Red. Huh. Very nice. Negroni. And an energy drink. Boost oxygen. Oh, you inhale into it. Okay. Interesting. I've never seen this before. See some new every day. But yeah, that's the room. And I have a spa appointment booked on Sunday. So you can look forward to a review of that as well. But I'm going to order some dinner and take a shower and go to bed. Because tomorrow we have the Wings of the Rockies. The museum. Oh, look at that. Another charging port. And one on the other side. See you in the air. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you soon.